So the project execution portion of the demo is going to focus on two different areas, one being the project slash task management. And I'll review that and talk about those capabilities, and then going in and talking about financial management around being able to manage the financials and such. The first thing I'm going to do is and kind of stressing, some of the themes probably we've talked about, in the prior portion of this demo. One being that's a modern application, going in here and talking about Infolets, talking about the ability to have the system perform analysis for you. So things that you want to be able to know, information and such, the system can go identify and present in a way that's consumable for you. Being able to take some of these, drill down, and show some of those capabilities. And then that same theme in terms of, modern applications, that embedded social. So really that efficiency of being able to have all of your conversations, all of your data elements around a project, around a task, around a deliverable, all built in context. So how about that social discussion in context for the task, for the project and such, and then opening this up and going in and showing our collaborative capability, opening a task up, doing markups within that task and having a discussion. So you don't have the reliance, making that distinction between the reliance people have on Outlook, that they have on, different types of communications, emails and such. Communications are all over the place, rather than having efficiency in terms of individual resources. So the individual resources know where they are, what tasks they have. Efficiency in terms of teams, that teams can work together and collaborate, each having an enterprise or a team view of the information, and then the enterprise, working more efficiently. So I'll talk about those themes. So I've nailed that. Now I'm going to go in and really talk a little bit about and show because really my role is going to be Amy, and Amy really has two hats. One being a project management hat, and the second being someone who's actually assigned to a project or multiple projects, and has that responsibility for being able to manage them. So I'm going to first open my project management workbench. And discuss capabilities here to do project planning, right? Work breakdown structures, your Gantt, to be able to do deliverables, hierarchies, to be able to create projects, programs, dependencies, very robust project management capability. I'll even reference the fact that we've got templates available. So if you've got different aspects of work, you shouldn't have to recreate that project plan every time. You should be able to pull a template and start from there. That template having tasks, durations, deliverables, work items, priority. Within here we can do our percent complete and look at our progress and such. And so I'll also just mention here about some of the other things we can do, within here, doing resources and such, and change orders and deliverables and such. I'll also at this point reference the analytics, but then later, I'm really going to drill into that is when we do the financials, because that's, a really nice place to highlight those capabilities. So I'm also, Amy is assigned to multiple projects. Amy has multiple taskings. Those taskings may be reviewing deliverables. They may be work items, change orders, work breakdown structure tasks that have been assigned to her. So she's got a lot of stuff going on over, multiple projects. So my work gives her one place where she can see all those tasks, right? All those taskings, all those assignments. She can go, she can drill in here, and I'll show them how to drill, update things, make progress. One place to be able to manage all of her stuff. And within here, she can do things like create new deliverables, create new taskings. I'll show how easy it is to create taskings, change orders and such. All right. Within here, I'm going to show the mobile capabilities and talk about really anything she's got within my work in those capabilities here. She can also do, if I can do this one hand, she can do that within the application itself. This should be coming up, sorry. There we go. So I'll take them through that and show them those capabilities. Start with mirroring. And then some of the other aspects, again, being a team member, it also provides the ability to look across a team member dashboard. And this is a nice place that you can configure as part of your implementation to be able to add things like quick progress, new activity, issues that have been assigned to you. It's another way to be able to collaborate, another way to be able to get a complete picture of everything that you're responsible for when it's coming up. And these will actually show pictures. Right now, I'm in Explorer, and I actually have to demo in Firefox to actually show those. And here's the calendar and such, right? And then if I wanted to, I can also come over here to project performance. Sorry, this is a little bit slow here. Project performance, I'll have to talk with when I'm bringing this up. This is traditionally a very, of all the dashboards, and maybe something I won't even go to. It's so slow to come up. But it'll go through and show you, basically where you are, in terms of overall performance, both in terms of execution and financials. But again, this is something maybe I'll skip because it's so slow. That's the first part. I expect this probably maybe to take 20 minutes, and then I'll turn my attention to the financial side.